Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Amna Husain, board certified pediatrician, board certified lactation consultant, and mom to 2 girls. Today we're going to be talking about something kind of specific related to potty training, and that's a tip for potty training boys. Alright everyone, today's video is focused specifically on potty training boys. But that being said, if you have any questions generally about potty training, please refer back to my older video which discusses the common pitfalls, common concerns, and questions you may have when deciding if your child is ready to potty train. Today, as I mentioned, we're going to be talking about tips for little boys. And the first tip, the most important tip I discuss with parents in my practice in this very exam room, is making sure that when you begin potty training for your little boy that you are sitting down. You're teaching him to pee while sitting on the potty. And this is important to note because first off, your pelvic floor health encourages sitting. That's how the muscles actually relax and leads to complete emptying of the bladder. That's super helpful to know, especially as you're trying to teach your child the urge to pee, the ability to withhold that peeing at the appropriate time. I really do encourage sitting down. The second practical thing to consider is that oftentimes you're potty training for number 1 and number 2 at the same time. And oftentimes the urge to defecate may happen at the same time that they're sitting on the potty and they have to pee. So obviously if they're sitting down for bowel movements, you're going to want to try to teach the 2 of those together. So because in the US specifically, standing up to pee is very normal for men, I understand the inclination to gradually get your little one used to that. So I would recommend that when it comes time to that, make sure that they have mastered being able to pee sitting down. Okay, we're not in the in-between phases. They are really good, really comfortable at being able to pee. And then therefore, you can get them standing up if they're comfortable, and remember to teach them about which way to point the penis. Now that's also super important to know because it might seem like common sense to us, but for little boys, it's really helpful to know you don't want to deal with an unhygienic mess. You don't want to deal with another disaster to clean up. And sometimes they might think it's funny, and it's obviously you and I both know it's not funny. So only start to teach them when they've really mastered the first couple of skills. Now, if you have a little boy, I'm curious to know, how did potty training go for him? Leave your questions, leave your tips down below. Let me know. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.